Hi, this is Dr. Raj Singh. I work here at Healer and Seven Heart Medical Spa. Today we are doing platelet-rich plasma to improve the hair growth in one of our female clients. So this is a platelet-rich plasma that we have collected. This is what we'll be injecting. So I have about a little over 10 ml that we'll be injecting. So I will be anesthetizing the scalp by giving a nerve block here so we can inject this area, and then of course we'll do a nerve block in the back so to numb the rest of the scalp. So the procedure should be relatively pain-free. So let's go ahead and get started.